I'm moving and I'm grooving. This is the current stage of my back porch. It's hideous, it's ugly, I do not like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear all of this off of my back porch, and I'm going to put these plastic tiles down just to make my back porch look a whole lot better and more clean, more organized, more me, as I would say, because right now this is not me. It's ugly and I don't like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these tiles on and get started, and I'll come back when it's all finished. My porch looks so much better now. I had a quick little outfit change because it was a little hot, but I really like these mats. I'm definitely gonna go get some more. They do not slip, as you can see. I'm moving and I'm grooving, and the tiles are not sliding anywhere. They were super easy to put together. It took me maybe 5 minutes. All they do is click together, super easy, super simple. I really like the color. It goes perfect with my house. As you can see, I have a navy blue chairs, and this is more of a blue gray, which I really, really like. I'm definitely gonna have to get some more to cover my entire porch, but for now, I like how it is, and my porch looks so much better, and I can't wait to go and just sit out here when it cools down and watch the sunset. So if you're looking for some non-slick tiles to go outside, these are definitely a good choice. I really like them, and I think if I can put these together, you definitely can, because I'm no contractor. But I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.